Tell mommy what's wrong. Hey. Are you hungry? You want a bath? No? What do you want? Tell mommy. What is it that you want? Don't hit the camera. It didn't do anything to you. Say hi, Auntie Marnie. Do you want some juice? Say juice. 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 No, say juice. Don't touch. You want some juice? Or some milk? Juice, juice, juice. Okay. How about a bath? You want a bath? No? Okay. You want some crackers? Yeah? Stop! Cranky for no reason. Cranky for no reason. Ow! Stop! You're not nice.